So what's up guys, this is the trade. I took this sell trade on what is it called, XAUSD. So you can see this trade. It's a bit of a risky one because you don't actually know where markets will eventually revise from and start buying. So at least I want to just get this is a 1:3, but I'm targeting 1:2, 1:2, 1:2, 1:3. Let me just depend on how volatile the market becomes. So use it. So floating in profit. Floating in profit. So this $6 profit, and then for the 20k account, $29 because I'm risking 0.5% on both accounts. So this is it. So I'll keep you guys updated with this trade. I'll keep you guys updated. So this is what it looks like. So that's it. So I'll update you guys. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So welcome back. Before I get into this video, I wanted to ask you guys, is it possible not to miss the trade? Is it possible not to miss your setup in forex? Is it possible? So I think it's not possible not to miss a trade. So let's just get into the video. Like, this week was actually not a bad week. This week was not a bad week, though I missed setup. I missed the trade though. So I'm going to show you guys what my trades for this week looks like, because I was not able to record them. So let me show you guys. Let me switch my screen and show you guys. As you can see, this was the first trade for the week. So this trade ended up taking me out. It hit SL and then moved in profit. But let me show you guys what it looks like. So this was it. So this week I ended up taking only 2 trades. So this trade hit me out at $19. This was the first trade for the week. On the 5k account, it took me out at $19, and then for the 20k account, it took me out at $67, as you can see. So this was the first trade, and then this was the second trade which I took for this week. The second trade was kind of a scalp. So I was supposed to enter this trade. I missed the entry from this level. I was supposed to enter this trade from this level here, but this price came to test this level at around 2:30, 3 o'clock a.m. So I was not awake that time to enter for this trade. So when I woke up, I saw that price, I started buying. Then I just had to look for an entry to just join the buy. You get? So I entered this trade from the 15 minutes. So this is where I entered this trade from. So I entered from here. Enter this trade when I retested. I entered and I held for almost 1:2, and I closed that at this week rejection here because it was getting late. It was almost 6, so I had to close that for this trade. So that was the second trade which I took on this account, which I closed that in $42. You can see here, $42, as you can see. So on the 20k account, I closed that at $177. So this was the trade. So you can see that price came back to my entry the next day and then started buying. So I missed the main entry. I will not call this first one a missed trade because it was not my time which I normally trade. But for this one, which happened yesterday, which was Friday before the market closed. I was waiting to buy from this level here, but you see that price skipped it. It's almost just 1 pip or so, if I'm not mistaken. You can see price skipped it to 1 pip and then started buying. I still went down to the 15 minutes to look for the re-entry, which price did not come back to tap me in. So for this week I ended up taking only 2 trades, which puts my account in, not in drawdown, but I was positive for the week because I closed with 0.5%. Yeah, it's supposed to be $25, but because of spread, $2 and that, so took it. So I ended up closing this week with just 0.5%, and then this is the last week and the last trading day for the month of August. So let me just show you guys what like my for the last for this month of August, what my what would I call it, my P&L looks like. So for the month of August I made only 1%, which is 49.50 cents, which is approximately $50. I made 1%. I ended up taking only how many trades? I took let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I ended up taking only 6 trades for this month, which 2 was like break even, you get. So I ended up taking only 6 trades for this month. So for the 5k account I closed out on 1%. And let me see for the can I check this for the 20k account? Let me see. First till 30th. Okay, for the 20k account I closed that at 1% to 1 point something percent, almost 1.5%, you get, for the month of August. So that's okay. That's not bad. You guys, so that was it for this month. But overall I missed trade, but the most painful trade I missed for this month was a setup which I waited for, like I think I talked about that setup in my previous video. That setup, like, let me show you guys the setup. So as you guys can see, this was the setup. This setup was on the 4-hour time frame. I waited for price like to come back to this level for me to get in, but unfortunately when it came, it missed this point with like with few pips. It missed my entry with few pips and then started buying. So I'll show you guys what that setup looks like here. Let me go on the 4 hours and then show you guys. So this was it. Clean TP hits. Like, also pissed on this setup. So price came back here. Instead of it to come and tap me on the body of the candle, it used the wick and then started buying. And you guys can see that TP has been hit, like smashed on this trade. So this setup, like, very painful, but it's all good. That is why I said these are things you don't have control over. That's just it. So that was it. So I'll keep coming on here to share my journey, to share my trades progress. And I said I wanted to get to like 50k in funding this year, but I haven't even gotten to, like, I'm still at my 5k in funding. I've not even passed the 20k account. I've not made withdrawals for months now. Like, I've been in drawdown, but hopefully I'm getting out of drawdown because the account now is at 1.5% drawdown. So with just some couple of winning trades, if I'm lucky, get some couple of winning trades like back to back, I'll be out of drawdown and then withdraw, and also then I'll focus more on the 20k account. Why I still trade my 5k account. So that was it. So if you like this kind of video and you want to be seeing more videos like this, kindly like, subscribe, and then turn on post notification. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out.